Hey, welcome back. Anise here, founder of Mindful Sales Training, and you're watching the 30-day video challenge where I give you one video a day in the month of September. And the idea is that the compound effect of seeing each video every day will inspire you with insights to help elevate your game so you can end this year on a high. Today's tip, it's actually a question from a reader, which very good question, is how do you serve instead of sell? And it's a great question, especially if you're selling a service, right? So how do you serve when you're already serving them with your services? A very good question. When I say serve instead of sell, it's more of a mindset shift. And because selling, when you're selling, it's about sales is what can I get? Serving is what can I give? How can I help? Sales is short-sighted. Serving is far-sighted. Selling or sales is scarcity mindset. It's the mindset of scarcity, whereas service is a mindset of abundance. See, when you operate from this kind of space, when your mind's and you're coming from a place, your intention is from here, how you think and how you act will be very different than from a scarcity mindset. So, I'll give you an example. One time I met with this is an example of how it would play out, if you imagine, in real life. One day I met with a prospective client, and I was asking about their business, what they're up to, what their objectives are, and so on. And she said, "Oh, yeah, we're going to do this new content strategy, and I'm actually looking for an editor to do. I've never hired an editor before, and we want an editor to help us with our content marketing." I'm like, "Oh, okay." Well, I happen to know a journalist who had done editorial work before, and I made the introduction. She's like, "Oh wow, my God," because she's never interviewed or hired an editor before, so it would have been a potential challenge for her, right? First, interviewing, job spec, posting the ads, and so on and so on and so on. It could take a few weeks, but problem solved. Ooh, okay, and now she's going to be more receptive. She always took my calls. She always replied to my emails. And I was thinking long term with this, I wasn't going in for the kill. That's it. Oh no, she's not going to do any business with me now. No. In a few months' time, I know we'll end up working together. Okay, so think of who a prospect or a customer you're selling to, and when you adopt the service mindset, think broader beyond what you're selling, the services you offer. I'm not talking about giving your stuff away for free. How else can you help them? Okay, so that's essentially what the serve instead of sell is. It's about being being far-sighted. It's about how can I help them, and it's about an abundance mindset. Okay, so that's. I hope you found it useful, and please share this with someone who could use this help, and so that they make sure that they're building relationships instead of shutting down. Yeah? And if you're watching on YouTube, head on over to mindfulsalestraining.net, subscribe, and you'll get some bonuses. And I will see you tomorrow. This is Anise from Mindful Sales Training.